Let us explain the eligibility and rep membership registration. We are recruiting agents, rep, to start participating in this business. Qualification of registration requires an invitation from rep member, and the eligible person must be at least 20 years old and be able to purchase the business tool to support the business activities. One position is equivalent to 500 GBT. The monthly administrative fee for continued use of Business Tool is $100. There is a discount benefit available based on the number of positions to be registered. The actual payment will be paid in the Greenbox token. Therefore, you are required to prepare the GBT in advance. Registration positions can be selected from 25, 13, 9, 5, 3, or 1 position. There are 2 types of margins. First type is affiliate margin, which can be earned by doing business as a rep. Second type is SNS margin that you can earn daily from the number of people from organizations you have built in the business. The results are calculated in business points every Sunday, and it will be paid to the ARM wallet in Greenbox token on Monday, 2 weeks after the results are confirmed. Greenbox tokens can also be cashed through Ethereum exchange. First is the unit margin. This is based on the number of people that you have directly introduced by obtaining an amount of their purchase price, the percentage amount. It can be set up to a maximum of 11 stages as shown in the figure. Second is 2-line circle margin. This is the form of binary system where people who are registered are placed either on the right side or the left side of the rep's organization chart. When the left and right sides have become a set of 1 position versus 3 positions, the rep can obtain a margin. When the left and right have become 1 position versus 18 positions, it is considered as a 6-pack, and 340 GBT can be obtained as margin. When the organization grows in binary, the method to calculate the unit of 6-packs is 1 circle. Business results are calculated daily up to 3 circles a day, and 1-week results are paid at once by Greenbox tokens. In addition, as a special bonus for a limited time, each 1 circle the rep acquire will be awarded as 5,000 ARM, which is separately granted from the margin. Third is the Palmer plan. This is a plan based on the number of people the rep has introduced directly. The rep can obtain the percentage of 2-line margin among the recruitment. This setting is established for up to 5 stages. Also, rep can increase revenue by supporting the rep's own team. Fourth is the achievement bonus. This is also called title bonus. The title will be decided based on how many circles that were made in a month, and the bonus will be distributed from worldwide sales. This margin can be obtained by the organization members who you've expanded business with. You can obtain the login bonus by their use of Login SNS application and permanently obtain the login bonus daily. The followings are 2 types of plans available. SNS unit margin. This is based on the number of people you have directly introduced, and you can obtain their percentage from the daily login bonus. It can be set up to maximum of 6 stages as shown in the figure. This is the world's best return of margin that can be obtained by only using the SNS application. SNS Generation Unit Margin. Finally, we would like to introduce SNS Generation Unit Margin. This is like the previous SNS, and this margin can be obtained if you are a 1-star member and directly introducing another member to 1-star status. The percentage of maximum 15 stages composed by only 1-star status members can be qualified for daily reduction.